Hey, so we continue our journey into the agents and agentic world. And last time we talked about the missed layers, and it was the identity semantic. And you could take my previous videos actually about the identity and what identity mean, and the semantic and how the agent will understand each other. And today we'll talk about the consensus. And I really believe that we could learn from the decentralized stacks and financial networks and the blockchainish vaults. But in a blockchain, we have the different algorithms for consensus that more oriented to make the state of blockchain consistent, right? And it's not what we want in an agent, because if you take a look to the blockchain, it's just distributed and decentralized state machine, and we want to make the state consistent across the nodes. And it's not the task for agents, but it could be if they have the common brain, for example. But on the consensus and the protocol side that we could learn from different networks, like for example Definity, it's more like, the DAO protocols, decentralized organizations. But right now in a DAO we have a lot of agents, and we need to make this agent to agent cooperation fair. And not just fair, but if we will try to explain the challenge to 4-year-old kid, imagine that you go to the ice cream place and you ask 2 scoops of vanilla ice, but you get 1 scoop of the chocolate one from the agent. And how to deal with agent to ask him that he made something wrong. Should I go to my parent and escalate and ask for help? Should I negotiate with him? And it's not the imaginary problem, because right now agent still needs the human in a loop. Right now the LLM based agents could hallucinate, and the main question, how if we negotiate with the agent already and we understand each other and we ask him to do something, and maybe this task utilize some payable resources, how to make sure that we get back what we really ask to do. And if we get back something wrong, how actually negotiate to redo it and do not spend more money and all other things. So we need some kind of behavioral protocols that give us the consensus on work that should be done, give us the possibilities to punish or redo or act fairly in a network. And it's a big topic. And actually, the decentralized organizations and DAO protocols, they also orient on the questions how to achieve the common goal, how to organize the proper voting, how to make sure that we get the decision that in favor of everybody in the network. And it's already a lot of work done in a DAO space. It's already a lot of work that involve this game theory, behavioral protocols, and governance protocols. And we need all this knowledge, and we need all these findings actually to apply to agents, because it's the next important step in a flow, that if we have the autonomous agents that go and try to achieve some goals, they need somehow to have a consensus what is the goal and how to achieve it and how to assess that it was achieved. So that's all that I was keen to share with you. Stay connected. If you're doing something in this space, let me know. See you next time. Choose.